goes down. I don't want to see my phone.
Okay. You ready? I'm gonna test the prop. You ready?
Yeah.
Throttle active.
Just testing it?
Yeah. Okay, make sure it's level. It's not level right now.
I know. Okay.
Are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay. Go.
Do a roll.
No.
I'm almost not sure what to fly mine anymore because the sun's right where I want to fly it.
Well, I think we would need to.
Do what you're doing?
Yeah, not look at the sun.
I know. It just feels more natural to do it that way. Whoa! You lost control.
I know. I lost control for a minute.
That's a funny angle looking at it like that.
That's what messed me up.
2 minutes.
That's my point. It's a funny.
Trim center.
That's better. It was diving badly. That's hands off. That's the wind. Okay, how much time do I have?
1 minute, 19 seconds.
Okay, we'll see if I can get it past the sun without crashing it so I can land it coming this way.
I want to see it land. that comes. That.
9. 8.
That came down like that.
6. 5.